The KYC, Know Your Customer process after registration, is a mandatory security and compliance step that verifies your identity before you can fully use a platform's services. This procedure helps prevent illegal activities like fraud and money laundering, protecting both you and the company. The information here outlines the typical stages from account registration through KYC verification. Step primary goal: common actions and documents involved. 1. Registration to create initial platform access. Provide email, create password, agree to terms and conditions. 2. KYC verification. To confirm identity and ensure regulatory compliance. Submit personal data, full name, date of birth, upload ID documents, passport, driver's license, and may involve a liveness check or selfie. 3. Platform access. To grant full user privileges, account is fully activated for transactions after successful KYC approval. Why KYC comes after registration? Platforms structure the process this way for logical and regulatory reasons. Low friction start. Registration is quick, letting you create an account easily. The more detailed KYC happens only when you're engaged and ready to use financial services. Compliance requirement. Laws require verifying customer identity before allowing financial transactions. KYC is the gatekeeper that ensures the platform complies with these rules. Risk management. KYC helps the platform assess risk and prevent fraud from the very first transaction, protecting both the business and its legitimate users. More than just a formality, the importance of KYC. This verification process serves several critical functions for both businesses and customers. Prevents financial crime. KYC is a key tool in fighting identity theft, money laundering, and terrorist financing. Builds trust. A verified user base creates a more secure environment, giving you confidence that the platform is serious about safety. Ensures regulatory compliance. Platforms must follow KYC regulations to avoid heavy fines and legal penalties. Hopefully, this clarifies why the KYC link appears after you register. It is a crucial security measure designed to protect everyone involved and ensure a safe financial environment.